motion today is whether or not the bond amount should be lowered.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. She had no compassion what she done. She had no remorse of what she done. She should never get a lot see her children because I won't get a lot see my grandbaby no more.
Tonight, an emotional plea from a grandmother not to reduce the bond for a woman accused of beating her grandson to death over a cupcake. Glendria Morris is now charged with murder. She faced a judge today. Prosecutors allege that she and her sister beat 3-year-old Kejuan Mason with a baseball bat back in October in Southwest Atlanta. This was all over a cupcake. Morris was the boy's guardian at the time. In the end, the judge ruled today to keep her bond at $200,000, with Morris still incarcerated tonight.